Welcome aboard the Celebrity Apex. This is Haley from Travel with a Flair, and today we're taking you inside a luxurious magic carpet sky suite. As we step into this stunning suite, you're going to notice the elegant design and expansive layout. This is perfect for those who love space and luxury. This entry-level suite features a plush king-size bed, state-of-the-art technology, and a luxurious bathroom. Indulge in the spa-like bathroom with luxury toiletries and a separate soaking tub and vanity area. And don't forget, booking this suite gives you exclusive access to the retreat, sundeck, and lounge. You also have access to your own signature dining restaurant, Lumine. Over here, you will find a mini fridge and drawer space area that you can have your butler refill for you if you would like. There is compact charging stations over here so your wires aren't spread out all over your desk. And then there's an expansive balcony. I mean, look at the views. Can't you just imagine yourself sitting out here and relaxing on a beautiful sea day? We hope you enjoyed this video. If you need assistance booking your next trip, please reach out to us at travelwithaflair.com. We really hope that you enjoyed this video, and we will see you on the next one. Have a great day, and thanks for watching.